Hi guys, in front of me is HONOR X7d, and let me show you how to clear cache and free up some space and also speed up your device a bit. So first of all, let's enroll the settings, then find and select apps. Here we've got it, mark manage apps, and now you can go app by app or just start with those apps that you use most frequently. Just open, and here you will notice storage enroll, mark clear cache, and that's it. And go app by app, perform the same action, and then your device will definitely work faster. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.